Welcome to On the Quest for Taste.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to cook a dish from my home country Vietnam. Delicious summer rolls or gói cuốn in Vietnamese. Let's get started.
You are going to need the following ingredients: 10 pieces of rice paper wrappers, dark green lettuce leaves, mint and cilantro leaves, roasted pork fillet, 50 grams of bean sprouts, 60 grams of cooked vermicelli, 2 tablespoons of roasted onions, 3 pieces of a carrot, 1 large cucumber, 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce.
below, and I will try to show you more. I would be also happy if you like,